guys, it's JJ from JJ Collects and Plays, and today it is my birthday and also the release day of Select Footy Stars 2020 Prestige. We have two boxes here, so my dad and I are going to open these boxes up, see what we get. We're going to show you the packets.
Which one we open first?
We can both do the same thing.
Do one box at a time.
Alright, what are your boxes?
Get box hits.
Yeah, what are your boxes?
Alrighty.
You can get the seal open.
Get the seal off there.
Oh, that looks like a fresh. This is a video to shout out to Sports Cardboard Adelaide. This is where we got them from. And that's good.
Get in and see Matt and Ben get your cards, yeah?
Yeah. So this is what the packets look like. They're like plasticky sticker.
They're normal cards.
Yeah.
Here we go. So we have got zebra die cuts, 1 per 3 packs.
Red parallels, 1 per 6 packs.
AFL milestones, 1 per 12.
Don't you get them in the normal ones?
Dude, these may be numbered.
Green parallels, 1 in 18.
Engine room is 1 in 24.
Which is the box. Brownlow vote generators are 1 in 2 boxes, 48 packs.
Brownlow vote getters, yeah. Platinum Brownlow predictors, 1 in 96.
And the golden showstoppers are 1 in 288 packs.
So with these cards, they are numbered a lot less than in the original Footy Stars. Most of the cards, or second half of the cards, are all numbered. For example, the showstoppers in these ones are only 1 to 40, so much rarer and much more valuable.
So let's dive in.
Let's see what we get.
And of course my dad's got his Crow shirt on. I've got my Sun shirt on, which is this is brand new.
Even though you're a Crows fan.
I'm still gonna wear it. Alright. So the common cards look like this year. And do we not have anything in this pack?
So they're quite foily.
I don't think we've got anything we've got in this pack.
And Josh has pulled a pack of commons to start himself off there.
Nah, not a good start for the birthday boy.
They are quite good looking cards.
You got a 2019.
Here is a green foil.
Green foil.
And this one is number 25 of 60, which is Nick Vlosten.
For Richmond.
Richmond, so 25 of 60. So that's not bad first up.
If I pull another pack of commons, I'm going to cry. Oh, we have our first milestone. The milestones are actually numbered as well. 250 games. Shane Edwards. Numbered 055 out of 200.
Pretty good. So,
I like these common cards.
Not entirely sure what we're guaranteed of getting in a box.
You're guaranteed of getting a engine room.
Possibly.
Is the one.
Ooh.
That's a zebra.
It is.
Are they all numbered?
Don't think the zebras are.
No.
So zebra's not. So that's a zebra die cut. So in the team's colours with the zebra pattern there. Michael Hurley from Essendon.
And I got another zebra die cut. Brisbane's Cam Rayner.
Everyone today's been saying the same things on the break. The cards are quite sticky when they come out the pack, but they certainly don't damage the card. They're nice looking cards.
Yep. Indeed.
You see, they are stuck together. There's two actually. They're right together.
Oh, I read parallel. David Swallow for the Gold Coast Suns wearing my jersey. How funny is that?
That looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, and it's wearing my jersey. I put on.
Right.
What's
Ooh,
that?
what is that? I don't know what any of
I
these
think-
are.
Can you check? What is it?
Okay, so we've hit one of the 1 in 24 packs, so that is the
Engine room.
one in the box.
That's the engine
That's
room.
an engine room, so we'll show you that one after.
Just like we do for normal select. Oh, I put out another zebra die cut. It's another Clint Oliver for Melbourne. I put out.
Definitely an engine room, so already a good hit. We'll take that. We've got another zebra there.
Oh, that looks good.
It's like a Jack Steel. It pays to flick through these because I'm sure there's only one insert per pack. But
Oh my god. Why do I get a second common pack?
Common packs. You don't get those in normal Footy Stars, but you definitely do in the second series. Get some packs that are all commons.
Every second series
I
we've
guess
done.
there's no Disney cards, so it makes up for the Disney card pack.
Every second series happens like this. Dominance, I think I pulled out like 6 in the whole thing, but we never.
Very, very sticky cards.
Jake Kelly zebra die cut.
And that is a common for me.
Finally.
They are stuck together, so you just want to double check them.
Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. They are sticky because they're fresh.
Nice looking base set of cards though.
Exactly. but they've got the same bat. Another common set.
2 in a row. I've got a feeling that means my hits
Thank
coming up.
God, I got a milestone. 150 games. Cameron Guthrie, number 1012 out of 200. Pretty good.
So no autograph cards this year, and no rookies.
I think these are pretty. To be honest, I think they've just brought the US out.
Yeah. So they're similar design, aren't they?
No,
Boss-
all red.
Red die cut.
Red parallel.
Red parallel.
I think.
Tim Taranto.
Yeah, it's red parallel.
Number 33. Do we know what number Tim Taranto is? I've got no idea.
He's not. Didn't we get him in
Does
the?
it actually say on the
Didn't
card?
we get him in a break? Red die cut. Jai Simpkin, number 158 out of 170.
Oh, I think I just put that back on that pile. I think we need to check after and work out some of these jumper numbers.
Yeah, I don't think we got
I
Simpkin.
don't think Taranto is 33.
Cam Guthrie 23, so I haven't got a jumper number. Zebra die cut first 12 and 1, Luke Bruce.
Really? We've got the zebra, the Collingwood.
Oh, I got the first.
So Brody Gundy.
I just want to show you. This is like Select Footy Stars 2020. It's like what you can get.
Ooh,
But I don't know why it's numbered 199. I don't understand that question.
Prestige check this as well.
Yeah, it's prestige. Weird.
You want it in front of me here, eh? Yep.
Gee, this wax is slippery.
Here we go.
It's another common pack.
Wow, we're getting a few commons. I reckon it's like 4 or 5 common packs.
I
Has
think
got Tex Walker in there though. So
Oh. Matthew Cruiser, blue die cut. Zebra die cut. I'm getting keeping mixed up.
We're on the same. Here we go.
Crap.
Holy dooly, there's a nice hit. That
What
is
is
a
it?
Brownlow.
Can I pull out the engine room then?
That's a Platinum Brownlow predictor, I believe. So that is probably one in the 96 packs.
Bridge.
So we hit an engine room and a Brownlow. I think that's what it is.
Can I reveal the brown one?
We'll find out in a minute.
Can I reveal the
I
brown
think
one?
you can do the engine room.
No, because I'm the
I've got
birthday
a
boy.
feeling you'll like the engine room.
Oh my god! How many common packs
So
are
we
we
did
getting?
get a couple of common packs, so we got 2 good hits. So maybe it's two good hits a box by the looks is the way it'll be.
Red parallel.
Red Parallels, Scotty Lysette, number 22, and again, there's his jumper, number 29
Oh,
on there. So what was Taranto?
Toronto was 14.
14. Alrighty, so you can.
Can I reveal the Brownlow? Brownlow.
You know that one, the engine room. 'Cause I think
Alright,
you
the
like
engine room is Sean Lemons to the Gold Coast
There
Suns.
we go, Suns.
He used to play for the Port Adelaide Magpies in the Sandford as well.
Holy dooly.
Number 101 out of 100 at 120.
Get ready, peeps. This one is going to knock your socks off. I know who this is.
And is it a big play?
Who would be the one of the top players we would want for a Brownlow predictor this year, you reckon?
Oh yeah, that is obviously Ben Cunnington.
Who's won a couple of Brownlows?
Joel, Gary Ablett.
Here we go.
Holy cow!
Are you ready?
No way. No, Nat 5.
Nat 5.
Oh
There we
my
go.
god, we can sell that.
0-2 peoples of Nat
Zero.
5. It's a low number. Platinum Brownlow predictor.
Yes.
That is a jackpot when it comes to boxes. Right there, the 0-2 Nat 5 Brownlow predictor.
So what we're expecting in this box will probably be the Brownlow vote.
So what you get with a Brownlow, Platinum Brownlow predictor, if Nat 5 wins the Brownlow,
It's just
this
like-
card entitles you to redeem a limited edition 2020 Platinum Brownlow medalist signature card. The card will be redeemed for the equivalent numbered card, so number 2 card. Beautiful. What a pick. What
Well-
a hit.
What do you reckon we're going to get this box?
2 pretty special cards right there.
That engine room is my favourite because
Engine Room's a nice looking card with it, but that one, look at that. Nat 5.
I reckon we're going to get a Brownlow voters genre.
Holy dolly.
When did put out one green that whole
Right.
thing? Scissors. Alright, so this is our final box. We're doing 2 boxes.
That's a great start.
It's not. I don't know why they would not sell these in these agencies.
So what do we want? Like a Dangerfield or Dusty one to go with it, perhaps?
No.
Rory
Well,
Sloane?
A poor one so we can get rid of her. Because Not so great for a
Like a Robbie Gray or a Travis
because we
Boak
can
type
sell
or
them
something.
to Matt and then at Sports Club or Adelaide.
Or I reckon that Matt 5 card will go for a bit.
Oh my god, first comment of the box.
I have a Eric Hipwood for Brisbane Lions, number 146 in the red.
Why do I get the first common pack of every box?
So there's 24 packs in these boxes.
You get 6 common packs in the whole box.
Well, that's what we seem to get, but I don't know if it'll always be that.
Engine room, and it's a St Kilda. I can tell you that right now, and it's one you've got, and it's a big flyer for St Kilda. It's probably their only big player as well.
I got a common.
Second common of the whole box. Congratulations.
Oh no, I didn't. There's one stuck in behind there. Look at that.
Oi!
We've got the David Swallow Sons Zebra. That's a pretty sweet looking card too, I reckon.
This guy used to play for the Suns. Stephen May for Melbourne. Zebra die card.
Now you don't
Another
want,
checklist.
I noticed you're picking from the front there. You sure you don't want to change to the back?
I'm changing it
he's
up
gone
as
to
I
the
go.
back. He's gone to the back. That's good because that was just a dud. That was a all dud.
150 Tom Lynch. Milestone number 151 out of 200. Very decent.
What a score.
You're probably the one who's going to get that Brownlow Vogue thing.
Been lucky so far.
Oh, that's a red.
That's a red.
Red parallel.
Yeah, that's Josh Dunkley.
Oh, this is hard to open.
Doggies, number 73.
This is hard to open.
Or maybe it's a showstopper.
No, it's
Let it be a showstopper.
definitely nowhere near a showstopper. It's nowhere near anything for that matter. David Mundy, Zebra die cut.
I have another red one. Connor Blakely, number 140 of 170.
Who's going to get
So
the
just
first
showstopper
green die?
back in there.
Who's going to get the green die cut of the box?
Yeah.
Nick Haynes, Zebra die cut.
I don't mind the zebra die cut.
Green parallel.
They look alright. Some of these packs are a little bit tricky to open. Or very sticky cards this time, which is all commons, I reckon.
I reckon on this.
Very, very sticky pack though.
I just gotta count where they come in from. They come in the fourth card. Fourth card is them. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Opens up the oh, that's looking like a pretty card, I reckon. It's white.
Is it?
Or something. I don't know what that is, but let's have a look. Ah.
What is it?
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Is it Showstopper?
Oh, it's a Brownlow Vote Getter.
What's a Brownlow Vote Getter?
Brownlow Vote Getters.
I got the green die cut.
1 per 48 packs.
I got the green parallel. James Sisley for Hawthorn. Number 030 out of 60.
That was always going to be a quality pack when Tex is on top.
Oh my god, Dad. You always say that and it always happens. You never know, we could still pull on a showstopper.
Zebra. Jeremy McGovern.
Jesus, this is stuck together. This must be all commons. Great. Another all common pack, but all stuck together. All common pack for me.
So I think we've got a hit to come still, hopefully.
Hopefully we get the
Number
showstopper.
74 there for Liam Duggan.
Hopefully we get the showstopper. This is probably the showstopper because I can't get this open. Oh yay. Without scratching my hand on the shape. Hawthorn, Zebra die cut, Ben McAvoy. It's every time I get a Zebra die cut, it's Hawthorn. That's the hardest one to open.
I got a day.
This must be the showstopper because this must be a Hawthorn Zebra. No, it's not. It's a Jack Redden milestone number 038 out of 200. Pretty good.
I have the Luke Dowhouse Zebra. Get down packs.
2 to go.
Because you're Ed. Hey.
No.
You're Ed, Booker. Let's see what you get. It's your birthday, you can do it.
Common pack.
This has got a good one in there.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Or does it?
No, it's a common.
Hmm.
All common, so hopefully you've got something there. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, it's something. At least it's better than that. Zebra die cut. Marcus Bontempelli. I think it's better if you reveal your card first because we don't know what it is.
Have you got a hit?
I have got the engine thing.
Oh, have you? I didn't know you got that.
I got the engine thing. I think.
Okay, so this is a Brownlow vote getter, which was, you said, was what?
One in every second box.
Basically, yeah.
It's like a galactic, essentially.
I think it's like a history sort of kind of past Brownlow vote getters, obviously. Ooh.
Oh, no, it's not. That is not.
So we have Josh Dunkley.
I reckon this must be like a father-son situation or something.
That's a pretty nice card.
Number. Oh.
We're numbered at
What do I number up?
38 of 80.
Oh, wow. And of course, we know who the engine room is.
What does it actually say here? So it tells you Brownlow votes 15 in the 2019 Brownlow.
He was the youngest player to get the most amount of votes, I reckon.
There we go.
He was the youngest player to get more votes.
Cool.
And the engine room. I'm afraid to say this, but I do not like this already. It is Sebastian Ross for St Kilda. Number 073 out of 120. Pretty good.
So having a look at the different types of cards that we managed to get in the boxes.
We pulled out two of those,
So you've got the green.
which are 1 in 18.
The green parallel there.
Which are 1 in 18.
Not bad looking card, and they're numbered. They're numbered to 60.
Milestones are numbered to 200.
Got your red parallels numbered to 170.
Why are they not rarer than the milestones that are numbered to
These
200?
pretty cool looking zebra cards aren't numbered. The die cuts.
That just is plain boring.
And then we have the engine rooms that we got.
And then we got the two Brownlow thingies.
They're quite good looking cards as well. These are numbered to 120.
Yep. The Brownlow votes one is numbered to 80, and this Platinum one is only numbered to 60, and we managed to get the lowest
There we
number
go.
yet.
Beautiful.
It
card.
wasn't
Number
one, though.
2 for Matt 5. There we go. Happy birthday.
Birthday treats. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss another update. See you all.